The Acura ZDX, an electric sport utility vehicle, recently underwent testing by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, revealing some promising qualities yet falling short of top safety pick standards. While the ZDX performed well in side impact and moderate overlap front crash tests, it encountered issues with the small overlap front crash test. In this test, the head of the front passenger dummy slipped between the front and side curtain airbags, creating potential risk in a real-world scenario. This resulted in a marginal rating for passenger restraints. Acura's premium model also faced challenges in headlight performance. Early ZDX models, produced before September 2024, received a poor rating due to excessive glare from low-beam lights. Despite these setbacks, the ZDX offers impressive range. Its larger 102 kilowatt-hour battery allows the A-Spec rear-wheel drive version to travel up to 313 miles, surpassing its Honda Prologue counterpart's range, making it an attractive option for electric vehicle enthusiasts seeking both luxury and practicality.